Hi everyone, it's Debra again. I wanted to do a follow-up video on Misti Barnes Cellustrious Leave-In Conditioner. I've been using it for about 2 weeks now, and I have to say, I'm loving it. It is gorge. I have learned a couple things, which is really important. When I first talked to Misti, she said to make sure that you use a shampoo that has no sulfates or has no parabens, and don't use anything else. Don't use any of your regular conditioners or anything like that. Just use that, then the spray in, and leave it. And I can tell you that she was absolutely right, because I colored my hair recently, because we all color our hair, and it was a new brand that I'd never used before, and it came with instructions to wash and condition your hair after you use the color. And so I thought, well, I should do that because that's what it says. So I did that, and then I used the Cellustrious, and I have to tell you the results were not anywhere near as good. It was kind of heavy and it was laden down. So if you use this, and you should, you only shampoo and then use the leave-in conditioner. And I'm sure you can see how shiny and soft my hair looks. It's so full. And the other thing is, if I don't have this fullness on the top, which a lot of times I don't, you can see my scalp, and I don't like that. So I have to use a color spray or something to kind of hide that. I don't have to do that with this. With the Cellustrious, it gives me enough volume that it looks like I have twice as much hair as I normally do. So I'm really excited. Things are going really well, and I'll check back in with you in a couple of weeks and let you know how I'm still loving it. But come on, and look at the curl. Look at the curl at the bottom that I don't normally get. So very excited. Have a great day, everyone.